Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of having freckles that make you look like a kid? Do you want to get rid of them fast, simple, and effectively? If yes, then this video is for you. Today I will show you how to remove freckles with potato juice in 4 simple steps. You can do this at home and you only need 2 ingredients. Stick around until the end to know the 2 important tips to achieve best result. But before we continue, if you are new here, I highly suggest you to subscribe because I upload similar videos that will help you out. And please give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video. Now let's get started. First, wash your face thoroughly. Before applying any treatment on your face, it is very important that you clean your skin first. This will help the juice penetrate deep into your skin and get rid of those pesky freckles once and for all. To clean your face, use a gentle facial cleanser and lukewarm water. Make sure to avoid hot water since it may dry out your skin. Gently massage your face in circular motion using your fingertips for about a minute. This will improve blood circulation and promote lymphatic drainage. Rinse off with lukewarm water again and pat dry with a soft towel. Now your skin is ready for the next step. Second, cut the potato into half. Choose a large, healthy-looking potato that is free from bruises and cuts. Then wash it thoroughly under running water to remove dirt and other impurities. Scrub the potato with a brush to remove the skin and then cut it into half. You don't really need to cut it into smaller pieces since you will be blending it anyway. Third, extract the juice. Take the potato and blend one side of it using a blender or a food processor. Make sure that the skin does not get into the juice. Otherwise, it will be irritating for your skin. After blending, take a cheesecloth or a strainer and squeeze the potato to extract the juice. Store the juice in a small bowl. You should get around 1 tablespoon of potato juice. If you don't get enough juice from half of the potato, then blend the other half. Repeat the process until you get 1 tablespoon of juice. Fourth, apply the juice on your face and let it sit for 15 minutes. Using a cotton ball, saturate it with the potato juice and then apply it on your face. Make sure to cover all the affected areas with the juice. Leave it for 15 minutes and let it sit on your skin. During the 15 minutes, you can lie down and relax. But if you feel itchy or irritated, then rinse it off immediately with water. After the 15 minutes, rinse off the juice with cold water. It would be better if you use a gentle cleanser to wash your face. This will help remove the juice and other dirt on your face. Again, gently massage your face in circular motion for about a minute. Rinse off with cold water again and pat dry with a soft towel. You are now done with the treatment. Repeat this treatment every day for 3 to 4 weeks to see results. The most important thing is to be consistent in applying the juice. Also, you have to be patient since it will take time for the juice to work. Some people say that they saw results after just 7 days, while others say that it took them 6 weeks. To see the best results when using potato juice for freckles, avoid sun exposure. This is very important since the juice will only work if your skin is not exposed to sunlight. So whenever you go out, wear protective clothing, sunscreen, sunglasses, and a hat. Another tip to speed up the process is to combine it with lemon juice. Lemon contains high levels of vitamin C and citric acid. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that will help fade the brown spots caused by freckles. Citric acid, on the other hand, will exfoliate the skin and reduce the production of melanin, which is the pigment that causes freckles. To do this, mix equal parts of lemon and potato juice and apply it on your face. Let it sit for 15 minutes and rinse it off with cold water. You can also try putting lemon juice directly on your freckles. This method is very effective since you are applying lemon juice right where the freckles are. Take a cotton swab and dip it into lemon juice. Apply it on your freckles and leave it for 15 minutes. Rinse it off with cold water and pat dry with a soft towel. There are many benefits of using lemon juice on the skin. It has antifungal properties that can help treat acne. It can also lighten dark eye circles and reduce the signs of aging. If you want, you can add aloe vera gel to the mixture. Aloe vera gel is very soothing for the skin and it can reduce inflammation and redness caused by sunburn. It also has antifungal properties that can help prevent acne breakouts. To use aloe vera gel, take a small amount of it and mix it with the juice. Apply it on your face and let it sit for 15 minutes. Rinse it off with cold water and pat dry with a soft towel. Another way to use aloe vera gel is to apply it directly on your freckles. Take a cotton swab and dip it into aloe vera gel. Apply it on your freckles and let it sit for 15 minutes. Rinse it off with cold water and pat dry with a soft towel. These natural remedies are very safe to use, but if you have sensitive skin, then it is better to consult your doctor first before trying them. Here are some additional tips to get rid of freckles. Stay away from cigarettes and alcohol. These things can cause liver problems that can trigger an increase in melanin production. So if you want to reduce freckles naturally, stay away from these things. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep will help your body produce more antioxidants, which will help protect your skin from sun damage. It will also help your body produce more melatonin, which is a hormone that helps regulate the production of melanin. Manage your stress levels. Stress can cause an increase in cortisol levels, which is a hormone that can trigger an increase in melanin production. So find ways to manage your stress levels, such as yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises. Eat a balanced diet. Eating a balanced diet will help your body produce more antioxidants, which will help protect your skin from sun damage. It will also help your body produce more melanin, which is the pigment that gives your skin its color. This will help protect your skin from sun damage and reduce the appearance of freckles. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water will help flush toxins out of your body, which can reduce the production of melanin. It will also help your skin stay healthy and elastic, which will reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Use sunscreen. If you want to get rid of freckles, then it is very important that you use sunscreen every day. This will help protect your skin from sun damage and reduce the production of melanin. There are many types of sunscreen available, so choose one that is right for you. If you have oily skin, then choose a lightweight sunscreen that is oil-free. If you have dry skin, then choose a sunscreen that is made specifically for dry skin. When choosing a sunscreen, look for one that has an SPF of 30 or higher. This will help protect your skin from burning and help prevent skin cancer. Apply sunscreen 15 minutes before going out in the sun. This will give the sunscreen time to absorb into your skin and provide maximum protection. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours. Even if you are not sweating or getting wet, it is still important to reapply sunscreen every 2 hours to get the full benefits. Be patient. Getting rid of freckles takes time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Just be patient and consistent with your sunscreen use and you will eventually see results. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps you get rid of those annoying freckles. Don't forget to subscribe and please give it a big thumbs up. See you in the next one.